how many times it takes.
Take 12. We wrote this song about our fam all down at Oak Shores, White Oak Shores. So Amelia's going to sing it. Me and Amelia wrote it. On your mark, get set, go.
Down in LA at White Oak Shores,